So we start, you understand? And she say, you know, some sell clothes and so forth like this. She have an online business. So you just a jump to conclusion and don't know nothing. That's what I am saying to you. You just a jump to conclusion. You always just you just quick to crucify me and accuse me of things.
I don't understand.
First, more for apologize for the lighting of the video, and the second thing, more for apologize just as before my wife enter the room, crack a fart. Yeah, I did use my body, so you guys might hear she say, "Oh, the room smells so." So that's the reason. But I mean, I'm gonna edit the video right now and post it. So I just hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really a good content. I think she go on bad. She really go on bad, and yeah, just watch it and watch out the full video and get the understanding of it. Yeah, and yeah, I apologize. Yeah guys, my day back again with another prank. I make sure I put that camera away. She not have no idea where it is. So my day, but the idea just come to my head. I'm say I'm gonna prank her. So my wife depend on her way. I come home now. I think she go. I want her friend retirement party at her work. And she on her way back home now. So idea come to my head. I think I go prank my wife. So stay tuned for it. I wait until she reach home for press the camera on my phone. So I'm already connected. So just stay tuned for that one, guys. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? I don't understand, really not understand what your problem is. What is your problem? You already talked to you, much for the sake. I reach home already. So what you have going with me not understand? You get what I say? You don't understand what you have going with. I'm to the said lady, I come home. Wife, I come home. Hey baby.
Hey.
How are you?
Good. Stinks like fart.
No, I don't. I don't know what you're talking about.
Nothing.
What you doing?
I'm surprised you don't got the thing shut.
What?
The curtain.
Yeah, normally it is shut, but I don't know. Because you put it like that, so.
Are you on hold or something?
What?
Are you on hold?
No, I'm on the phone.
Oh.
Yeah. What are you up to?
Nothing.
What was it?
Good.
Listen, lady, listen. My wife reach you. You can't do this. See? You call her.
Who are you talking to?
I'm going to meet the other day.
What?
I'm going to meet the other day at Walmart. She keep on a call me, babe. I'm not understand why she call me. And I said, I'm clear, so I'm married.
So what do you want? You said you're going to call her back later.
What?
What do you mean you're going to call her back later?
Babe, relax.
What's your...
No,
No, what do you say? No, because I want to see who it is.
Just relax yourself, man.
Relax myself. Who is it? Who is it?
I just tell her a while ago, I never tell her a lie. I just tell her she's a girl, it's a female baby.
Okay, well, I'm calling her.
We are calling her back for why?
Because I'm going to tell her, I'm going to delete her number from your phone and block it. What do you mean? What am I doing? What? What do you mean?
Nobody would know controversy, man, babe.
Excuse me?
Nobody would know controversy, be.
I'm dealing with some controversy. What are you talking about? I'm going to call you back, you said. What the heck?
Just relax yourself, baby.
I'm not relaxing myself. No, I'm not.
Relax yourself.
I'm not relaxing myself. I'm not relaxing myself. No, I'm not. You're just talking. I mean, yeah, you said I love you and everything in front of...
You hear me say me love nobody?
You said to me, no, you said to me. You said, or no, you said... Baby,
yeah, because your
yeah.
wife you just come in at the house.
Yeah, well, that's cool. So, but then you were like, I'm going to call you back. Wait, low. What the hell was that?
I don't know right low nothing. I say it right in front of your face. Say me call you back. Relax yourself.
You are not calling that girl back. What do you mean you met her at Walmart and you're going to call her? Are you crazy? Do I call anyone that I meet at the store? Shh. What the hell are you talking about, my son?
Yo, sometimes can't manage it.
You can't manage me.
Can't manage it sometimes, man. Big
You're my
man.
husband and you're talking to another girl? What do you mean you can't manage me? What do you mean by that?
Big man thing. Honest to God, brother. Sometimes
Why would you even talk?
sometimes I just feel like someone that you have no time, like I can't talk to nobody. I never step away from talk to nobody yet.
You don't
Like-
want me hugging someone at the freaking superstore. Telling me I'm not allowed to hug anybody and you're gonna talk to another girl? What?
She
What?
just
What?
called me and asked me if I'm free tonight. I'm say I am not free and I will never be
How
free.
does she have your phone number? How does she have your phone number?
I tell you, someone meet her at the store.
And why would you give her your phone number?
So why you get so low? I don't understand why you get so loud and vulgar for. I don't get it.
Why would you give a girl your phone number? Why would you do that? I
Because
don't
she a
give
business-
anyone my phone
I
number.
know, but she a businesswoman and she do business. A business, what?
What kind of business?
You are going to relax and I'm going to tell you what? You get loud and vulgar right now. What?
What?
What the big deal?
Oh, okay. Well, then don't talk to me about hugging someone. If you want to be talking to other women, don't talk to me about giving someone an innocent hug. I don't have no one in my phone. I'm not calling no one or nothing.
I never see you get somebody yet. What is? What
Well,
kind of-
because you're blatantly sitting there talking to a woman on the
No, but
phone.
what me I say to you,
And then
baby,
you're like, I'm
never
gonna call
hide
you
no-
back?
But me I say to you, so I never hide nothing from you, so definitely so I have nothing to hide. And that's what me I
You
say to
shouldn't
you.
have given her your number. You shouldn't have talked to her. It shouldn't have never even came to this, is what I'm trying to say to you. It should have never came to this. You should have never given her your number. You should. I'm just coming home and you're on the phone, whispering right low, and then when I come in, you're like,
I never
I'll call
whisper.
you back or
Yeah,
something.
never whispers me I say yes then. But it good still.
What are you talking about? It's good. It's good. It's
I'm
good.
saying it's good, like, me never see you get so angry and I disrespect me and I go on the most and I like someone hide
Disrespecting
nothing.
you?
Yeah.
Wow, you gave it. You know what disrespected me? The day you gave this girl your phone number. That disrespected me.
But you gotta make me explain why me give her my phone number.
Okay.
And as me I say, she do business. You
What kind of
understand?
business?
She sell clothes and them something there. That me I say to you, she sell baby clothes and stuff like that.
So why couldn't you talk to her while I'm on the phone? While I'm
Because
here?
babe, I got a Walmart, knowing Sir Roger come and me go look some clothes for him. Because as I tell you before, I'm not bringing up his old clothes when him come. So I go look some clothes and I shop and something and I saw me and her in the clothes section and I saw we start, you understand? And she say, you know, some sell clothes and so forth like this. She have an online business. So you just a jump to conclusion and don't know nothing. That's what I am saying to you. Just a jump to conclusion. You always just you just quick to crucify me and accuse me of things.
I don't understand why you couldn't talk to her while I was here.
Baby, because you come on me and show respect, and that's what me and say to you, come home and I am showing respect. So I say, like, I call you back. That's what I am saying to you. And before you come home, me I try to hang up the phone, and I try to hang up the phone because me I tell her some woman to come home, and she just dip on the phone. So that happened, babe. That happened.
What's her name?
Some Alice something on it. I not even know her name. I don't know her name. Some Alice something on it. Ali Berry, some Berry Alice something.
We don't
on it.
need to get clothes from her. Like, what are you talking about? There's lots of places we can get clothes. What?
And I'm agree, B. I agree with you. I agree with what you say. I agree.
If I ever gave a guy a phone number, you would be very, very upset with me.
How would I know?
If I sat here, okay, put yourself in my situation. Let's say you came home and I was like, hey, babe. Yeah. Okay, I'll call you back later. Okay, bye. And then, who was that, babe? Oh, that was a guy that I met at Walmart. You're not gonna say what? Like, why are you like talking so silent and saying I'm gonna let you go?
Yeah, but as I said to you, I never did a talk silent. I just said to her, I said, I'll call you back. Even right, I never like my hide nothing. You come and you kiss me, you come and do everything that I me I said to you.
And like I hide nothing.
I don't know, the whole thing about it just was, I don't like it. I don't like the way it went down, that's all.
You just need to apologize to me, because you come here, it's like it's an accusing situation, and I'm gonna like it. That's how I say to you, so you need to apologize.
You didn't apologize me because I hugged a friend in Superstore.
Woman, why should I apologize about that? Now you go and hug on to somebody.
So we're friends, I didn't do nothing. I'm not calling the person or secretly talking to them when you're not home.
No, but as I said to you, I never deal with it in no form of way. All I do is just call you one side and I talk to you. That's all I did. I just address it. So I don't like me come on me and accuse you and this and that. I just tell you I don't like when you hug the person.
And I don't like the way you just said I'll call you back. How about that? Okay? I don't like it. I wasn't expecting to come home to that, that's all. I just wasn't expecting to come home to that.
Alright, just change the argument. I like your shirt. I like this. I like your bangles. And you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, just dry.
Thank you.
So what was you gonna do? What were you gonna do?
I'm gonna make some juice.
Green juice?
Yeah.
You love your green juice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I love you.
I want you to pull up that number.
Baby, it's nobody at all. I prank you. I don't nobody see camera there. It's nobody at all. Look, Mama show you. It's nobody. I don't nobody. I prank you, Chargy. I prank. Shit. Guys, so you see how she react, you see how she about see that I prank you 10 minutes or something. I prank you, be.
Okay.
So if you just feel like send me to talk to somebody, just come to me as I get home. As I come home, it come to me and I say, you know what, I'm going to burn a prank by that. That's it. I never talk to nobody. I won't talk to anybody, baby.
Okay.
I mean...
Okay, just like you don't want me hugging no one, I don't want you talking on the phone.
Guys, you see? I won't talking to nobody. I tell you start. See that? Whenever that... I wasn't talking to nobody, like, you see, yo,
oh my gosh.
Yeah, what you want? Like, you have to apologize. Apologize to me. Apologize to me now.
This prank stuff. This prank stuff is something else.
Oh my God,
I'm
guys.
telling you guys, my stomach dropped because I knew. I'm like, wait a second.
You see how she come aggressive, like,
Yes,
yeah, I'm gonna
because-
understand her, like, come on now, like.
You didn't want me hugging
Like,
someone
the
and you're
moment-
sitting there talking to
Guys,
some girl you met at Walmart. What the
Guys,
heck?
the moment I come home, you know what? It come to me and I say, you know what? I'm gonna do a prank on her. Yeah, you need to apologize, but guys, remember, no, you have to apologize to the people first. Apologize to your husband.
Well, because it was a prank, I'm sorry. But if it was real, I would have acted the same way.
Guys, remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for the next one. I remember,
My heart!
turn the notification bell on for all the necessary uploads. Peace out, guys.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jed. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?